Pie Toys! Hello pies! Today I'm unboxing, wait, what's that under the Christmas tree? You're right, it's an LL surprise glitter series! Yes! It's a glitter series. These take forever to find. Okay, number 1, secret message. Number 2, collectible sticker. Number 3, bottle. Number 4, shoes. And number 5, outfit. Number 6, accessory. Number 7, of course, the doll. And water for surprise. This is super rare. Okay. Sparkle bomb or glitter bomb. Yeah, glitter bomb. This is glitter bomb. As you see. Let's put this off to the side. Okay. Here it says she's either a color changer, a spitter, where we learned from Spice and Diva, a tickler, or a crier. Hopefully she's a color changer. Or I don't know, whatever we have, I'll be happy with. Read this. Excited yet? Oh, these are trashy. Let me out. Almost there. Okay, let's open this. Surprise inside! Yay! Ooh, fancy switch. Okay, right here the handle's red. Right here the bottom's red too. So there's some glitter right there. Right here there's glitter, and up here is white, and over here is cafe brown. Ooh, makes me want to have coffee now. Let's move this aside, making my entrance. Right here, over here, over here. Surprise inside, yay! Okay, these cute like yellow/orange boots with a little bonnet and a little bit of designs on the side. Super cute, super fancy. Getting a little better after these. Just a little bit. Okay. Oh, stuck on me. Surprise inside. Yay. Ooh. Oh. Ah! Okay, we have this like really cute football shirt as a number 1, super glittery. And right here we also have these cute pants too. Okay, these are super adorable. Oh. Okay. Oh, I don't remember always having 2 in here. Let's open the smallest. This is super duper tiny. Oh yeah, there's a cute little chain here. I never had something so tiny with my LL dolls. Ooh. Look, I think it's it's a headband, hopefully. Not a belt or something. Yeah. Ooh, wormy. Okay. Put this next to the tree. Now, let's see who we have. Out of here. Okay, let's open her up. Let's see who we have. Oh! Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Oh, look at her cute little glittery braids and her little blush. She has blush. And look at her nice red lips and her green eye. Her beauty mark. Can't miss the beauty mark. She does before we change her, just so she won't ruin her clothes. Okay, hopefully I don't use all the glitter. Oh my god. How does she feel? Oh no, I think she's crying. Oh, you want your bottle back? But now, let's try to put on the clothes on her. Her shoes first, because she's drinking her water. Oh, easy. I have to put on. Okay. You really want to take off her bottle. She better not start crying. Oh, she's such a crybaby. Oh, why are you so hard to put on? Okay. Let's put on her chain. I don't think sports people really wear chains, but that's not what I don't know because I don't do sports. Yeah. I got it on. Let's put on her headband. Yeah, it's like this little headband. Okay, guys, let's see what her name is. Okay, she's MC Swag. Honestly, she's not the cutest, but I guess she is pretty cute. She is fabulous. So she's not the rarest, but she is pretty rare for being a glitter. Guys, I'm sorry to say this, my little pies, but we have lost a lot of glitter in this video. So much glitter. It took forever to put her outfit on, and it lost a lot of glitter putting her outfit on. That's the one thing I don't like about these. Like, they're cute and adorable, but most likely not to be all playing with because they're always coming out of glitter. Like, at least put a glitter protector seal. And there she is in all her glittery glory. Looks like she is a kind. Oh well, it looks like somebody's getting Christmas presents this year. Wait, what? Okay, sorry Spice, but you gotta honestly tell. It's the truth. Bye bye, my little pies.